In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add privacy policy or cookies to your Wix website. So we want to click on Add Elements here, and we're going to use the search tool. So just click on the magnifying glass, and we want to search for privacy policy. So it will show us some different options which we can choose. So we can do privacy policy, automated legal solution. This is an app from Wix itself, or not from Wix itself, but this is an app that you can find on the Wix marketplace. And if you want to add privacy and cookies, you can do this. Add a cookie consent banner to your website. So if we click on open here, then it will take us to another page. So the settings, privacy and cookies, privacy tools. So we can get display cookie consent banner, which we can complete right here from get started, or we can learn how to set up a privacy policy. If we click on learn how, it will tell us that we have to create privacy policy, and then we have to add the privacy policy link to our website's footer. But basically, I'm just going to show you how you can do it from within the website editor. So right here, we're just going to search for privacy policy like I just showed you. And we're going to use this application. So privacy policy terms and more. If we click on open, then it will show us this tool, and we can add it to our website. Now there is a fee that you have to pay, so $13 per month, and you can basically log in here. Let us search for a free tool, so privacy and policy. So if we do this one, legal texts, again it has a fee attached to it. Let's see if we have this for free. Do not sell the data. All right, so this is free, so do not sell data. If we add this to our website, then as you can see, we have this option in our footer here. So we can set it up. So do not sell my data. We can customize this. We can also design different colors. We can use different colors here. We can also support them if we would like. But basically, we can do customize and manage visitor data here. The manage visitor data is the important part. So here we can set up the different, it actually refers us back to the website that I just showed you. But if we go to visitor data here, then we can do data request. We click on this sign and we can do a new request here, and we can actually add the privacy policy request here. So do not sell my data. That's the free application that I can suggest using, because the others have a fee attached to them. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.